you.
Why was that man taking my picture?
That had nothing to do with you.
You promised me that if I testified, I wouldn't be in the news.
And you won't.
Then what was he doing?
He was harassing me, that's all. Okay? Look, we've lost a full day of preparation. Let's just press the reset button.
I don't think I can.
Yes, you can.
No. You're going to ask me all the gory details about what he did to me, then the other lawyer's going to do the exact same thing, only he's going to make it seem like I asked for it or something.
Honestly, that's pretty damn close. The only thing that you're leaving out is that 20 minutes of your life, 20 very uncomfortable minutes, and you can guarantee that Mr. King goes to prison and is never allowed around another minor again.
There are no guarantees anywhere.
You want your life back. You want to spare others from ever having to go through what you went through. 20 minutes, that's all I'm asking for.
It's not about the minutes. You got me the suit?
Well, you said you didn't have anything to wear to court.
Miss Reagan, I'm sorry, but no suit is going to make a difference. No matter what I'm wearing, I will feel completely naked in there. I'm sorry, but I just can't. I can't do it.
Janet.
I think you must have the wrong Gillette standards.
Oh, well, we probably do, but we'd love to chat with them just to make sure, clear things up. Are him and Silvestro staying there, by the way?
Oh, yeah, they have their own private section. I fixed it up for them.
What time do you expect them home?
Probably not later. They went to a party. We'll need you to stay there for a second.
Oh, just so we can keep him company.
I know, but everybody we're talking seemed to think that Sylvie had a
It's hard.
Maybe she does.